Hi guys, uh, today I am doing unboxing of EcoSlate waterproof rugged speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. So I bought this from Costco for about $89, and its specification says 20 watts 2 into 10 watt speakers, 12 plus hours of playtime, 100 feet long range Bluetooth, charges USB devices, pair 2 speakers for stereo sound. You can see this, it looks sturdy, and you can see the back side of specification. So I will read out EcoSlate waterproof rugged speaker features: 20 watts 2 into 10 watt speakers, dual subwoofer, IP68 waterproof and floats, built-in rechargeable battery with 12 plus hours of playtime, wireless Bluetooth streaming, LED flashlight with 3 levels, hands-free speaker phone, built-in mic with advanced noise cancellation, accent jocks, rugged design, integrated Siri voice control for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, EcoSlate Bluetooth speaker, USB charging cable, AC adapter, car adapter, Carabiner user guide. So they have given a 3-year warranty on this one, this Bluetooth speaker. Let me open this one. I'm pretty excited to open this case. This is the USB charging cable. And this is the leaflet. Finally the speaker is out. This is the speaker. You can see this side is the controller, and let me see where is the yes, it's on.
Power on.
Yes, it makes little sound also. Let me pair with this my iPhone. Yes, EcoXGEAR. You can see EcoXGEAR. It's coming on my iPhone. So I'm going to connect now. You can see that.
Connection successful.
Yes, it says the message also, connection says successful also. Let me play some YouTube videos, and let me test the voice. Okay, I will select CNN News. Let me see. Oh, it's good. So we can control through my iPhone itself. So we can do the volume control in that option is also available here. So it's pretty easy to set up. So I'm really surprised to use this one. It's really like very easy to set up, and I think it's pretty much. I think it's. I like this rugged design. It's waterproof. It says. Okay, and this is the leaflet. You can see this. So yeah, that's it from my end. Let me. These are the cables. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you all.